Hello everyone, welcome back to Pably. So in this video we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp messages to Facebook leads for web development agency. So here I am an owner of a web development agency and to promote my business I am running a Facebook ad campaign. So in this case I want whenever a new lead is received, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to my lead. So to automate this process, we will use an automation software named as Pably Connect, in which we need to connect our trigger and our action. So in this process, our trigger application will be Facebook lead ads and our action application will be WhatsApp. To learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to learn how to send an automated WhatsApp message to all your Facebook leads. So here I am an owner of a web development agency named as Elite Web Crafters, and to promote my business I am running a Facebook ad. So in this case I want whenever a new lead is received, automatically to nurture that lead a WhatsApp message should be sent. So to automate this process we will use an automation software named as Pably Connect. So this is the homepage of Pably Connect, in which you can see two options, sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you are an existing user, click on sign in. Here I am an existing user, so I will click on sign in. Now here in all Pably apps, you can see all the apps which are provided by Pably, and to connect our applications, we will use Pably Connect. Here I am going to click on access now. So this is the dashboard of Pably Connect. Here in the dashboard, you can see a create workflow button on the top right corner. To create a workflow, we will click on this create workflow button. Now in this create workflow dialog box, we will give a name to our workflow. Here I am giving the name as Elite Web Crafters Facebook Lead Ads to WhatsApp message. Here I will select my folder as Facebook Lead Ads WhatsApp. You can create multiple folders in your folders section. Now to create a workflow, I will click on this create button. Now here in this workflow window, you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. An automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now to begin with our automation, we will set up our trigger. Here I will choose my trigger application as Facebook Lead Ads and my trigger event as new lead instance, so that whenever a lead is generated, instantly Pably Connect should capture the response. Now to connect Facebook lead ads with Pably Connect, here I will click on this connect button. Now to build a connection, I will select add new connection. If you already have a connection with Pably, you can click on select existing connection. Now we will click on connect with Facebook lead ads. Now moving forward, here I will select my page as Elite Web Crafters. Now moving forward in lead gen form. So for lead gen form, let me show you my form which I have created. Here I have created the form with name lead form. You can create your own form as per your need. Now moving back to Pably, here you can see by default all lead gen forms are selected. That means the leads generated in all the forms will be captured by Pably Connect. But here I want to select a single form. So from drop down menu, I will select my form which is named as lead form. Now I will click on save and send test request. So here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response, that means we need to do a test submission to receive a response. And now to do a test submission, we will go to Meta for Developers. Here you can see the homepage of Meta for Developers. In homepage of Meta for Developers, you need to go to more and select the tools. Now in this tools section, you need to select Lead Ads RU Rework tool. Now here in lead ads testing tool, I have already selected my page and my form. Now to submit a test data, I will click on this preview form. So here in this lead form, I have already filled all the dummy data, and now I will click on this next. And now I will click on submit. Now after submitting the data, you can see it says your test lead has been sent. Now to check the response, we will go back to our Pably window. Here you can see we have received a response with full name, email, phone number and other details. So with this we have successfully set up our trigger. Now moving to our action step, here we will choose our action application as WhatsApp Cloud API. Now our action event is send template message. Now to connect our WhatsApp Cloud API with Pably, we will click on this connect. Here I will select add new connection. Now again, if you have already built a connection between your WhatsApp Cloud API account and Pably, then you can click on select existing connection. Now moving forward, here it is asking for token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. Now to get all these details, let me take you to my WhatsApp Cloud API account setup. Now here in API setup, you can see I have received a temporary access token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. But here you can see the token received is temporary. That means it will expire in 23 hours. But if you want to build a permanent connection between WhatsApp Cloud API account and Pabbly Connect, then you need to generate a permanent access token. To learn how to do that, you can check out the video on our YouTube channel. For this video, here I am using temporary access token. Now I will copy all these details and will paste on my Pabbly window. Here I have pasted all the details and now I will click on save. Now after connection, it is asking me to select the template name. And for this, let me take you back to my WhatsApp Cloud API setup. Now here in step 2, you can see it says to create your own message template, click here. Now here you can see I have created so many templates as per my needs. If you want to learn how to create a message template, then you can check out our YouTube channel. Here I am going to select my template. And now here you can see the message which I have drafted, which says, "Hello, thank you for showing interest in our offerings. We are delighted to tell you that there is an amazing offer going on in which you can get 15% to 60% discount on our services. One of our employee is soon going to contact you so you can ask about offers, discounts or any queries that you have. Thank you, regards." So here in this template you can see I have used a variable in the place of name. And the reason behind this is I want whenever a new lead is generated, automatically in the place of this variable, my lead name should be updated. You can add multiple variables in your draft. Now moving back to my Pabbly window, here I will select the template name as Facebook Leads Message. And after selecting the template name, automatically the language code and selected template ID will be updated. Now moving forward, it is asking for recipient mobile number. Now here I need to enter the number to whom I want to send a WhatsApp message. So instead of entering the number manually, here I will map my data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here we will map the data from the response we have received in our Facebook lead ads. Here I have selected the phone number. And now moving forward, it is asking for body field 1. Here I have to map the data for my variable. So here I will map the data for the full name. Now before clicking on save and send test request, I will replace this dummy user number with my original number to receive the WhatsApp message. Now here I have entered my number and now I will click on save and send test request. So now here you can see I have received the response where message status is accepted. So now let's go to my WhatsApp and check the message. Now here you can see we have received a message which says, "Hello test lead, thank you for showing interest in our offerings. We are delighted to tell you that there is an amazing offer going on in which you can get 15% to 60% discounts on our service. One of our employees soon going to contact you so you can ask about offers, discounts or any queries that you have. Thank you, regards." So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let's test our automation whether is it working or not. Now let's test our automation whether it is working or not. So again, we will go to lead edge testing tool to submit the new lead. Now in this lead edge testing tool, you can see it is written you can create one lead per form. You will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So now to create a new lead, we need to delete the previous lead and we will delete it by clicking on this delete lead. Here after clicking on delete lead, you need to refresh your window and that's a necessary step. Now here again I have selected my page and the form. Now to submit a new lead, we will click on this preview form. Here in lead form, I have entered a new dummy data with my original number to receive the message. Now to submit this form, I will click on next and then submit. Now after submitting, we will wait for some seconds to receive a WhatsApp message. Now let's check our WhatsApp. So now here you can see we have received another message with another name and the same template. So with this, we have tested our automation. So now let me summarize this whole process for you. So in this process, we have chosen our trigger application as Facebook lead ads and our action application as WhatsApp Cloud API. So that whenever a new lead is generated, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to my lead. If you wish to use the same workflow, then you can find a clone link in the description box. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can contact us on our website, that is www.pabbly.com. If you liked our video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.